Hello viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a screenshot on your laptop device. To make a screenshot on your laptop, you need just two keys. The Windows button key and the PRTSC button. When I say PRTSC button, it's just for easy reference. I'll show you how it is inscribed on your laptop. Now this is the description you see on the key of your laptop. INS and PRTSC. This button is usually located among the first set of buttons on your laptop device. They are usually more tinier. The first set of keys you see before you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the numbers key. So these tiny keys, just check carefully. You see a key on your keyboard inscribed INS PRTSC. Now we want to see a practical example of how to make a screenshot with these two keys. So with this now, I will open a folder and let's just assume that what you want to screenshot is just this page. You want to make a screenshot of it. First, you put your hand on your Windows button and then the other finger on the PRTSC. So you press the Windows button down first, and as you are releasing the Windows button, you press the PRTSC button. So watch as I do this now. You see, I've made a screenshot of this screen. It dims the screen will dim like what you just saw now. And then let's assume that, okay, you don't want this screen, you want probably your desktop screen or anything you want to snap. The same format follows. All you just need to do is to hold your Windows key and the PRTSC. As you gradually press the Windows button down, as you release the Windows key, you press the PRTSC screen. And then let's do that again, just like we did before. You observe that the same dimming occurred again. Now, how do you know if you have actually made a screenshot, or how do you see the screenshot you have made? You could go to your PC or anyhow you wish to go and check your pictures. A folder will be created automatically there. It's created automatically. Is entitled screenshots. The computer generates it itself. Double click on it, you will see what we've just done. This is the first one we did. This is the first one we made a screenshot, and then the second one is the first one we did. I'll close it now, and then this is the second one we did, which is the desktop screen. I hope this adds value to you. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.